That cracking sound in your fingers is not what you think. Each finger joint contains synovial fluid, which lubricates cartilage surfaces and reduces friction. When you pull or bend a finger quickly, the joint surfaces separate slightly. This sudden separation lowers pressure inside the joint cavity. Dissolved gases within the synovial fluid rapidly form a small bubble in a process called cavitation. The characteristic cracking sound occurs when this bubble forms, not when it bursts. Afterward, the gas gradually redissolves into the fluid, which is why the joint cannot be cracked again immediately.